Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're joining us for the first time, well, you're welcome. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my delicious recipes. So the ingredients in making this simple puff puff recipe are basic and it's very easy to make. Even a newborn baby can make this recipe, trust me. You're going to find all the measurements to the ingredients in the description box below. Please, you have to follow that strictly. So I'm just going to make sure I mix my batter properly, beating it sufficiently so that I get enough of that gluten protein formed in it. And I'm going to be setting that aside to rest for about an hour in a warm place. And this is what we have after an hour. It's actually very easy to form your puff balls. You literally just have to pick up the batter and do it this way. Easy. You might have to practice that about maybe 5 times to get it, but then you would just improve on it with time. And that's basically it. That's it, guys. You want to make sure you fry your puff puff until it turns golden brown and your puff is ready to go. Easy recipe. Please subscribe to my channel if you find my recipes interesting, and let me know in the comment section what you think about my recipes. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell if you find my recipes interesting so you get notified when next I make a video. Until then, see you next time. Bye.